Welcome to another tutorial. This is Code Slice. So we are going to be working on an amazing project. We're going to be working on Google User Authentication. How do you do that? Using the Kivy language and also Firebase as well. So in this tutorial we will cover this step by step. So this will really help the beginners if you are like new in coding with Kivy. Yes. So this is just a demo of the final outcome of how everything will look. So you have your text box where you want to enter your email. In my case, let me put here one of my emails. Maybe let's say and let me put intentionally a wrong password here. So when you log in, as you can see, login failed, invalid login credentials. And what if maybe I put rather a wrong email? Let's see what it says. Login, you see, so whether your email is wrong or your password is wrong, then you can see that there's an error. Yeah, and then let's put in a right one and see what happens. And now I've put in a correct one, but you still see that, okay, it's still invalid credentials. So what is going on? Well, you have to sign up. So I'll also, within this same project, we're gonna also sign up so that our credentials can be recognized. So let's do that. Now we're creating an account. As you can see, sign up successful. Now if we use the same details to log in, voila, and that's it. That is it. Yeah, so please do subscribe, support the channel, and do look forward to the full tutorial where we will cover step by step on how to work on a Google user authentication using the Firebase. It's quite easy. Please do look forward to that tutorial. See you next time.